Welcome back. My name is Sergey. I'm the owner and founder of Architectural Mall, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about PVC. PVC is basically a polyvinyl chloride, a type of plastic that's used in virtually every industry. You can do so much with this product. It's half the weight of wood. More importantly, there's virtually no maintenance on it. So for example, you got crown molding, brick mold. Now anybody that does doors knows that brick mold on the outside of your doors always rots. With the PVC, it will not. Outriggers, corbels, brackets, these would weigh a ton in wood and be expensive. PVC railing systems with Chippendale panels, the square pickets, this is revolutionizing the market. Column covers that are shipped in 2 halves or even a flat pack option, which can be done in square non-tapered, square tapered, virtually any style, plain, recessed panel, raised panel, fluted. I mean, what you can do with PVC is endless, and it's a game changer because of how affordable it is. It comes in this beautiful white finish. You can paint it if you want to, but there's absolutely no necessary reasons to, because that's just going to add maintenance, whereas with this being finished white, you don't have any maintenance. So if you want to learn more about PVC, see what we're capable of doing with this product, follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, go to our website, and you'll learn a lot more than this short little clip.